Welcome to Go Science, where every imagination meets innovation, exploration leads to learning and creation. Discover our expansive range of DIY educational and activity-based kits from age 2 to 16, along with electronic components, sensors for your projects. From space kits, science kits, math kits, language kits, robotic kits, and hydraulics to building and fabrication kits, we have something for every young mind. We also offer comprehensive project training, guiding young learners through the there of science and technology projects. Our team comprises academicians, psychologists, and industry experts. Dive into STEM and STEAM with kits combining science, technology, engineering, arts, and maths. Explore the future with AI, ML, IoT, and wearable technology in our emerging tech kits. Our art and craft kits inspire creativity, while our gifting kits spark joy in learning. With Go Science, you're not just buying a product, you're nurturing curiosity, enhancing skills, and investing in a brighter future. Explore, learn, create. Only at Go Science, where we house over 450+ products, making us the India's largest hub for exclusive educational science, technology, engineering, maths, and arts kits.